friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Holly. Welcome. I'm happy to have you here. Today I'm sharing with you a Greer's grocery haul, and this is a local grocery store to us. But today I picked up some bagels. These are blueberry ones, and on my app it showed up as 2 points, so that's pretty good because most bagels are around 8 or 9 points. So 2 points for a whole bagel. Can't beat that. This no sugar added, this is like a Jello type dessert. So no sugar added with mixed fruit in there. I wanted something different just to change some snacks up. So that's only 1 point, so that's great. 3 points for this sugar-free chocolate pudding. And 0 points for this one. This is just a cherry type sugar-free Jello, and I just didn't get the Jello brand. I was going to, but I wasn't going to have time to make anything, so I just wanted something that I could just have in these little quick packs. So I think these will be fine. Some Nature Valley fruit and nut granola bars for my husband. These are Cheez-Its snapped, cheesy, thin, crispy. These are jalapeno jack crisp. And I just wanted to show on the back, if you are doing Weight Watchers, 21 of these would be 5 points, 18 is 4, 13 is 3 points, and then 10 of them is 2 points. So depending on how you're using your points during the day, you can still have a nice little crispy snack like that. Some shredded hash browns. This is just skim fat-free milk. Some sauced chive butter roasted red potatoes. If I'm not mistaken, this may have been 2 points for serving. I've already opened this one up. I had some coffee when I got home. So this is in the raw optimal 0-calorie sweetener blend. It says tastes just like sugar. It was okay. I thought it was fine. I usually use stevia in my coffee, but I just wanted to try it and see. That might be something I use when I bake. So I'm gonna try to incorporate that with something maybe that I end up baking. Some light ranch dressing, some chunky salsa, and I found this, it's Louisiana brand wing sauce. So I wanted to try that one and see if it's any good. We like the Louisiana hot sauce, so I think that would be good as well. Some chicken broth for less sodium for a recipe, and some whole tomatoes. I also wanted to try this. We like the apple cider vinegar, but I started seeing these in the store, and I thought, well, it's a refresher, so I wanted to try it and see if it was any good. Anything with apple cider vinegar to me, with the mother in it, is healthy. So this one is Concord grape and hibiscus. So I'm going to try that and see if it's any good. I think it'll probably be okay. Some Arm & Hammer. These are like the odor blasters or the scent boosters for the laundry. 2 green bell peppers. Some bananas. Southern Wedding Cake. This is PJ's Coffee, New Orleans. This one's a really good one to have. It's almost like a wedding cake, if you've ever had a wedding cake. So it's a vanilla and light almond flavor. Really good. This is also good with a little bit of amaretto creamer in it. Poultry seasoning. This is the Badia, and this is the Southern Blend. Perfect Pinch, rotisserie chicken seasoning. And I wanted to try this one. It's McCormick all-purpose seasoning, sesame and ginger crunch with garlic. So I thought maybe I could do a stir fry or something with that one. Some Mission Carb Balanced flour tortillas. The Mexican style cheese, that's the big pack. My husband will be using that for some quesadillas I'm gonna make for him. And some asparagus. These are chicken breast fillets. This one was $11.14. And that one was $12.13. So I'm probably gonna use about 2 of these for his quesadillas, and then I'm gonna use some of these to fry up in my air fryer some like chicken tenders. They had chicken tenders, but they were pretty much expired, so I wasn't going there. So I said I'll just do it with the chicken breast and just cut it up myself. Also some fryer thighs, and these were only $5.88, so that's not too bad for a little over 3 pounds. And these are healthy choice meals, so I have these for quick meals in the evening for when I don't have time to cook. And I already wrote like points on them, so that way I know when I go to get these out of the freezer how many points I'm allowed to have for the rest of the day or whatever. But these are low for dinners or lunches, and for me this is usually pretty good. These are things like this are filling for me, but they're also, even though there's not a lot in it, but you can also have a salad or something with it, or a veggie. So this is the meatball marinara one. That's 5 points. I really like this one. This is the Cajun style chicken and shrimp, 4 points. This is the chicken margarita with balsamic, and that's 5 points for that one. And the beef merlot is 4 points. So not bad for if you need something quick to make for a dinner or lunch for one serving, that type of thing. And also for my weekends, this I already opened and put these in the freezer because they're starting to melt. But these are the Blue Ribbon, the Orange Dream sickles, and these are, you get 20 of them in a pack. They're not huge, but these are 4 points. So if you're doing Weight Watchers, this is a nice little treat to have. And I do this like on the weekend when I have more points to use. So it's a guilty, not so guilty pleasure. So these are really good. And I know if you have kids, they would love these too. So I have those. And that is it for this haul. Not very much, but just a few things I just needed to get to fill in. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.